All right, so now we're gonna do shout outs. Who's gonna get a shout out? The first shout out goes to Mia. All right, check out Mia's explanation for what the article North and South, same country, different cultures was all about. She said, this article was about how the United States was in the 1800s. It was also about how the North and the South had different cultures and ideas. And notice how Mia used the word bank to her advantage, and she even crossed out words as she was using them. Good job, Mia. The second shout out goes to Saul. So I really want to shout out Saul because look how hard he is working. He is learning English. But even though he's learning English, he is still trying to learn about the Civil War and still doing his work. So he answered this in Spanish. So he said, the article is about el norte y el sur son diferentes en economía, transporte y población. Economía, cada uno le va mejor como el norte. En transporte, el norte había más vías de tren y en el sur menos transporte. Población, en el sur habían la misma cantidad de esclavos y blancos. Wow. So despite the fact that he is learning English, he is trying, he is persevering, he's sticking with it. Shout out to Saul. Nice. All right. Think of one shout out that you can give to one of these amazing classmates.